Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to log in your Best Buy credit card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.bestbuy.com. So once you type this URL in, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply go to the credit card section, and there you can find the sign in option. So now simply tap on the sign in option, and once you tap on it, you need to now enter your email address and then fill in your password of your email address. So once you are done filling in both the credentials, all you need to do is simply tap on the sign in button. So after you do this, you will get signed in into your account. However, if you have forgotten your password, tap on your forgot password option as well. This is how you sign in Best Buy credit card. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.